Nikki, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be working on packing up some goodie bags for my Pasteloween swap. I have these bags. They were at Target last year in the dollar spot. I don't know if they're out again this year, but they're actually bags to make like adult Capri Suns. So you can put drinks in here, slush them up, put them in the freezer, and then they come with this adorable straw. So I'm gonna fill up these bags kind of with little miscellaneous goodies. I was gonna clip them to the clipboards, but I don't think they'll fit, so I think I'll just set them underneath. But while I'm doing that, I thought it would be a good idea to kind of just sort through like all of the miscellaneous stuff I have for Halloween. So this is like buttons and, you know, some sequins and just little pieces of, you know, these little spiders from AliExpress. And I've got just a bunch of different things. So I have this tray out to kind of sort things. I have these little piles out to kind of put things in for each little gift basket. So this tray, I think I'm just going to use to sort things out now, and then it'll eventually end up in my tier tray for Halloween. So I've got these doilies set off to the side. I've got black, gray, white, and pink variety for each girl. So those are going to get bagged up in these acetate bags. But here I have 4 of these left. I thought it would be cute to put one of each of these in. I started this little container for googly eyes because I've gotten just a collection of those over the past couple years. I got these cute flowers, a little sequin mix here. I'm going to put that with my sequins. I've got all kinds of these little gemmies. So I'm going to put... I also got this box. This came from Dollar Tree. It was in their toy section to hold like, I think actually either Matchbox cars or like Lego figures, but I'm just gonna use this as well. So let me put these little gemmy dots in here. Yeah, this is just kind of a sort with me. I hope you guys don't mind. See, this is just like some of the fun stuff that I can add to the goodie bag. So bows, put that in there. Got these really cute little bones. That goes in there. This is one of the things I broke off of the toothpicks. It's just a little bat. So put that in there. Those can go in there. These little fabric things I'm going to give to each of the girls as well. So let me actually, I can put each one there. So since it's the pastel, I have a little pink gingham bow, and I just pulled these out ahead of time. That's why they're in here already. And they weren't really with my Halloween stuff. So I'm going to do one of those bows for each one. And then I have like these raggy kind of fabric bows from last year that I made. So I'm going to give one of those to each person. I've got these candy corns that I made. I only have 2 of them left. I made them to go with the 31 collection. But like I said, since I only have 2, they're only going to go to 2 of the girls. These bows I got from, I think, either N Beads or BB Craft. So I'm going to put those there. Got this little hand. I think I'm going to put the flowers in there. Got some more bows there. I'm going to do a bat and a bone for each girl. So we'll do that. Make sure you guys are in frame for all these. Okay. The rest can go in here. I've got these eraser skulls in here. I don't know. I've got these jemmies. I actually want to share quite a few of these. I got this huge thing. I think I got it 50% off last year. I also have these buttons, so let me share a bunch of these. I'll do 2 big ones. And get some of these little baby ones. Are so cute. Look how tiny these are. Let's see if I can let a little tiny one. Look at how cute that is. I love tiny little things. One there and then one here. Your nose, I think, can go in here. All right. So I also got out some of these bags. So instead of everything being loose inside the bag, I thought it would be nice to just kind of round up these little things like this. So those can stay. Let's do just a small handful of jemmies like this. I'll just put those in there. So there's one. Okay, so I'm gonna seal these up, and they should fit right inside here, like that. And then they can use the straw for a wand if they want to. I think these are adorable. I love these little bags. Pink one says, "I'm here for the booze." Sorry about that, guys. My phone died on me, so I had to charge it a little bit. I was able to fit everything into here. I just kind of combined some of the categories. I have those underneath there, and then I cut my eyeballs separate in here. I ended up packaging up the rest of the little treat bags. And then I did package up the doily bags, and I used that little bag, sequence bag, to put some fun little bits in there. So this is what those look like. And then I have the skeleton and the witch's legs that will go in each package as well. So thank you guys so much for getting organized with me, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye.